How do we foster a community where people are connected and where they trust and care about each other?
How do we build communities where people know they matter, where they show up at events, volunteer, stay informed, participate in important decisions, and vote?
We know the way our communities function is important. For instance, none of us enjoy going to a public meeting filled with yelling and angry disagreement. And if there is a community crisis, like damage from a bad storm or a tragedy, we want our neighbors to help each other so we can navigate the hard times.
In communities where people are isolated from each other and the public is polarized, we want to know, what are the things underneath these trends? What could be discouraging people from participating in local civic life? And most importantly, what can we do about it?
At the University of New Hampshire's Carsey School of Public Policy, we have been exploring how to collect important information about civic health for over a decade.
Civic health measures factors like how much people vote, stay informed about important issues, help neighbors, trust each other, volunteer, attend public meetings, and talk to people different from themselves.
We think this civic health information is helpful to support communities to thrive and for democracy to function effectively at the local level.
We often notice information in our communities about our schools, police, taxes, and the environment, but we don't always connect the dots to how this information connects to civic issues.
For instance, if we are experiencing high rates of students leaving school before they graduate high school, there may be other factors that explain this, including how much students feel they matter and how connected they feel to others in the community.
The Carsey School has collected information about civic health in New Hampshire since 2009. The most recent was issued in 2020. These indexes have allowed us to understand important trends in the state.
For instance, in the 2020 index, we learned that trust in local government has fallen and that younger people in the state are not engaging in their communities as much as other generations. These insights help us then address civic issues in the state. However, one frustration we had is that the state data doesn't allow for us to look at the civic experiences of different communities in the state.
And we think this is really important.
So we have designed a guide for communities to collect information about civic health at the local level.
To learn more, please check out the next video